Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of our series Common English Grammar Mistakes, Wrong versus Correct Sentences. If you want to speak correct and confident English, this video is very important for you. So let us start. Many students say I am having a pen. This is wrong in normal situations. The correct sentence is I have a pen. More better is wrong because better is already a comparative word, so we say he's better than me. In English, we say last night, not yesterday night, so the correct sentence is she did the work last night. In English, we put other person first and I last, so the correct sentence is my brother and I went there. In daily English, we do not say suffering from fever, we say she has a fever. So the right answer is she has a fever. With places like market, school, hospital, office, we usually use the I am going to the market. In correct English, we usually say question, not doubt. So the correct sentence is I have a question. Pass is a verb. In past tense, we say passed. So the correct sentence is he passed the exam. Belong is a state verb. We do not use it in continuous form, so we say I belong to Delhi. Not always comes before to in correct English, so the correct sentence is she told me not to go. If you like this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel.